Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Let's tap. So here at the top we've got the notifications, ringtone and alarms, let's say highlighted. So let's tap on the ringtone. And here we've been immediately transferred to the themes in which we can change the ringtone, or actually find the online ringtone and download something basically. If you do not want to use something from online options, you can choose local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones. This option is still available. Just tap on pre-installed ringtones, tap on ringtone, and here we've got all those which are pre-installed. You can tap on the specific ringtone, for example this one, of course give all the permissions it needs, and tap on it again to apply it successfully. So this is how to do it in the pre-installed ringtones, and now let me show you how to do it in the online ringtones. So under it, after scrolling down, we've got different categories from which we can choose the ringtone from. We've got genres, so we can choose the something from the rock or hip hop, or it's totally up to you. Or we can choose something from birds, let's say. So let me tap on it, and I think it is quite interesting. The title is interesting. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, just like in the previous option in the pre-installed ringtones. So let me volume it up. So here we've got it. And let's pretend I want this singing cat to be set as my ringtone. Then all we have to do is to tap on this bell icon. So let's tap on it and now choose ringtone. Your device will download the ringtone, and here we've got the information that it was applied successfully. So now we can go back to check whether it works, and as you can see here in this section, in the sound and vibration, we've got the name of the ringtone, which means that it has been applied successfully. And of course, our device will right now use it whilst informing us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.